Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is another raw walkthrough video. Today I'm in Granada in Nicaragua, and I'm going to take a little raw walk through the main park, the central park here in Granada. You got the amazing cathedral here, and then down here is the walking street. We're going to do a separate walkthrough video of that for you guys. So if you are new to our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos. Let's go for a little raw walk here at the central park in Granada. So this is the Immaculate Conception Cathedral. It's one of the prominent things here in Granada that everyone wants to come and see and take photos of. So in more of the tourist time, which would be like December to April, you see a lot more vendors here. A lot of pigeons. They're feeding the pigeons some water or giving them a drink. Hola. So we're just going to do a perimeter walk first, and then we'll kind of zigzag through the park. There is hotels around the park as well. Like a hostel, Selina hostel is here, so if you are a single backpacker and want somewhere inexpensive to stay, there is that option. I'll show you where it is up here. Yeah, like little food vendor huts here, table set up. Hola. Some cool monuments in here as well. All sorts of vendors selling sunglasses and everything you can think of. Hola. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien, gracias. So another food place here. So if you go down this street here, another block, you'll get to the main commercial ave. We're going to do a separate video on that as well, so stay tuned for that. Oh, no, gracias. And this is a highlight here, is you come to Granada and you do one of these horse carriage rides through the city, and they take you to all these cool spots. We've done it a couple times. But yeah, just come to the Central Park, it's right here. We came at Christmas time, just before Christmas one year in 2017. And they had all these Christmas decorations set up, Christmas lights all in the park here. It was really neat. It looks like there's a museum over there. And then this building here. This is the Selina Hotel Hostel. So yeah, like I said, if you're a single backpacker, a single traveler looking for an inexpensive place to stay, then this would definitely be the spot for you. If you are traveling as a family like we are, then the Airbnb that we're staying at is going to be the best for you, and the link's in the description for that. You're looking for a Nicaragua baseball jersey, this is the spot for you. They got all sorts of different ones. Also some t-shirts. All sorts of things you can buy here. So it looks like each corner has one of these little huts with food vendors in them. The old guys wanted me to come and sit down and have a chat with them. So I'm right in the center of the park now. There's a fountain here. So there's a couple guys in here that were trying to sell a tour of the lake, which is a really cool tour to do. We did that one last time we were here. I'll put the link to that in the description below as well if you want to go check it out, kind of see what it's like beforehand. But yeah, that's it for the park. Just a raw walk through the park. If you're looking for any souvenirs or shirts or anything, that way is going to be your best option. And then if you're looking for food, each corner has the food stall in it. So yeah, it's a really cool vibe here. Everyone, like the old guys, just sitting there chilling, trying to get me to go sit with them and have a chat, even though I don't know that much Spanish as much as they do. And yeah, they're just super friendly. Again, the people of Nicaragua are just amazing people, very friendly and very welcoming as well. So definitely, if you're coming to Central America, going to Costa Rica, El Salvador, put Nicaragua and Granada on your list to come to as well. You get to come to amazing places like this. So yeah, again, if you guys like the video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos. We're gonna have quite a few coming from Granada that we're filming. And yeah, you guys are gonna want to check those out. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Ciao.